The right time could be today. It could be a year from now. It just depends on what your brand looks like at this point. So I like to say with retail, you're going to want to have somewhere in the realm of at least 20,000, maybe even $50,000 in revenue every single month before you start thinking about creating an affiliate program. And the reason is affiliates that are going to make a difference are going to want to see that that brand is humming and that the conversion rate is high and that you have a website that's very appealing for people to check out in. That number drops dramatically for things in the software environment. If you have a digital product, a SaaS product, that number goes down dramatically. You can start that today with just like $1,000 worth of revenue. The biggest thing you want to look for though is you're building a brand, and affiliate marketing is going to help amplify that. But it's also a catch-22 because affiliates want big brands to be promoting, and they want to know you have a solid product. So to answer that question, when's the right time? Ask me. I can tell you.